this keyword in JavaScript. Let's take a look at that. If I simply do console log this, then in the console, you can see here we are getting this object because this code is not running inside the browser. But if we run this code inside a browser, then what it will give? Let's check. Now we are inside the browser. If I do console log this here, then you can see here we are getting this window object. So from here we can conclude that this keyword inside the JavaScript refers to the object it belongs to, because we have already seen that when we are doing console log inside this environment that we have inside the VS Code where we are running our JavaScript code, we are getting this simple object. But if we are running the same code inside the browser, we are getting the window object. So the value of this keyword depends upon the context in which it is used. Now if we do the similar thing in the context of a function, then what it will return? Let's check. So if you see inside the console, let me take it up. Here it is referring to the object, and that is a global object. What we have inside the global object? Clear immediate function, set immediate function, clear interval, clear timeout, set interval, set timeout. These are the kind of function that it is referring to inside the global object when we are using it inside a function context. Now we are going to use it inside a method context. Okay, so here we have one object. Here we have one key value pair where we have the name and its value. So here we are calling this function as a method for this object. So here this keyword will refer to this context only, and inside this context we have name and the method. Now if we remove this name and run this code, we are getting the whole object. But if we want to just get the name, what we can do? We can add here name. Now if we run this code again, then we can see the name over here. So I think now you have the clear idea how the behavior of this keyword changes in different contexts in JavaScript.